Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you drop a pin in Google Maps. So at first, just go to your Google Maps app. Now select the area that you want to drop a pin, just like I'm selecting this area, and zoom on. Now after selecting the area, just hold on to the area that where you want to drop a pin, like this. After holding on to this area, the pin will be dropped. After holding to the area, you can see the location of the pin. You can see the direction, you can save it or you can share it, or you can also add a label to it. So guys, that's how you can drop a pin in Google Maps. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.